Welcome to VSK Business Consultant. Warm welcome to all business owners, starting a part or already running business. Vijay Mauli is the founder of VSK Business Consultant. He brings an exceptional track record of 41 years of extensive experience across a wide spectrum of various categories and industries. This extensive background provides VSK Business Consultant with a deep understanding of the nuances and complexities of the business landscape in Chennai and beyond, allowing us to offer insightful and effective solutions tailored to the specific needs of our clients. We extend our services to all business owners, whether you are in the initial stages of starting a part-time venture or a full-fledged startup, nurturing its growth and development, or are already leading an established and running business, navigating the challenges and opportunities of a dynamic market in Chennai and beyond. We recognize the distinct demands and possibilities inherent in every phase of business ownership and are committed to providing the guidance and support you need to thrive. At VSK Business Consultant, our specialty lies in facilitating seamless business buying and selling transactions, with expertise across various sectors including retail business, wholesale business, manufacturing business, distribution business, and service business. We act as a crucial bridge, expertly connecting buyers and sellers to create mutually beneficial outcomes that drive economic growth and individual success within the local economy of Chennai and for businesses of all types. Our end-to-end approach ensures a comprehensive and supportive experience throughout the entire process, minimizing stress and maximizing the potential for a successful transaction within the Chennai market and across diverse industries. We take care of everything involved in the business buying and selling process. For buyers in Chennai, we understand that acquiring a business is a significant decision, whether it's in retail, wholesale, manufacturing, distribution, or the service sector. We assist you in identifying businesses that strategically align with your long-term goals, financial capacity, and operational expertise within the local market and your desired industry. Our services include rigorous market analysis focused on Chennai and Tamil Nadu, thorough due diligence to meticulously assess potential risks and opportunities specific to the chosen business type in this region, and expert guidance in navigating the complexities of negotiation and securing appropriate financing within the Chennai market. Our ultimate aim is to empower you to find the right business to invest in and ensure a smooth and efficient transition of ownership, setting you up for future success in Chennai, regardless of the business sector. For sellers in Chennai, we recognize the dedication and hard work you have invested in building your business within the local economy, be it in retail, wholesale, manufacturing, distribution, or services. We offer a strategic and comprehensive approach to marketing your business effectively to a qualified pool of potential buyers within Chennai and the wider region, specifically targeting those interested in your business type. Our services encompass accurate business valuation to determine a fair and competitive market price within Chennai for your specific sector, the preparation of compelling and informative offering documents tailored to the local market and your industry, skillful management of the negotiation process to achieve your desired outcome in Chennai, and facilitation of a seamless and confidential closing. Our primary focus is on maximizing your financial return and ensuring a smooth and efficient sale process, allowing you to move on to your next chapter with confidence in Chennai, knowing your business has been handled with expertise. Our end-to-end specialty means we are committed to being your trusted partner every step of the way in Chennai, across all business types. From the initial consultation and comprehensive business assessment to the meticulous identification of potential matches within the local market for retail, wholesale, manufacturing, distribution, and service businesses, the rigorous conduct of due diligence focused on the Chennai region and the specific industry, the skillful negotiation of terms within the local legal and business framework, and the successful finalization of the transaction in Chennai. We leverage our extensive expertise, our well-established network of contacts within Chennai and Tamil Nadu across various sectors, and our deep understanding of the local business environment to streamline the process, proactively minimize potential complications, and ensure a successful and satisfactory outcome for both buyers and sellers within the Chennai market, no matter the business category. Let VSK Business Consultant, under the leadership of our experienced founder Vijay Mauli, be your trusted partner in navigating the intricacies of business buying and selling in Chennai, for your retail, wholesale, manufacturing, distribution, or service business. For any consultation regarding business buying or selling in Chennai, contact us at 9840-336-999. Visit our website at www.vskbusinessconsultant.in for more information relevant to Chennai and Tamil Nadu across various business sectors. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Trust VSK Business Consultant for all your business buying and selling needs in Chennai. We take care of everything. How can we assist you today in Chennai, Tamil Nadu?